Are you sitting over your econometrics dissertation or thesis and you feel completely lost when it comes to the selection and the choice of the fitting statistic, methods, and tools? You don't know how to gain and to evaluate and analyze your economic data. And you also need to justify the selection of your theories and deal with mathematical models, and everything is complicated. You just feel lost. Then I'm happy to welcome you to MyThesis Academy. We provide a very comprehensive and structured guidance and support for you to help you craft your econometrics thesis. How do we do this? So there are two main pillars of our program. So first of all, there's our campus, where you have access to an interactive program that leads you step by step from the first idea until the end of your thesis, and which helps you overcoming all challenges and problems within the different stages of the thesis. There's also a vivid community where you can get in contact and reach out to fellows and also to thesis experts and clear your problems and questions. And if you need a more tailored consultation, then we also provide the direct one-on-one thesis consultation, where our thesis expert help you step by step to go through your thesis journey and to submit on time and with success. I will leave you the links to our services in the description of the video, and it will be my pleasure to welcome you to MyThesis Academy.